You will hear a conversation between a teacher and a receptionist in a recycling facility. First, you will have some time to look at questions 1 to 5. Now listen and answer questions 1 to 5.
Hello, this is Thomas speaking. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. My name is Harriet, and I'm a teacher at Plockton High School. We're interested in organising a visit to the local Plockton recycling facility for our students. I was hoping to get some information.
Of course, I'd be happy to help. We offer educational tours at our recycling facility, and your students will learn about renewable energy, as well as the impact of climate change. Can you tell me how many students you're planning to bring and their ages?
Well, we have approximately 30 students from upper secondary who'd like to visit, so they range from 14 to 17 years old. Wait a minute. Actually, there are only 28, as 2 of them can't come. Plus, 2 teachers, of course. What are your rates for student tours?
The normal price is $8 per person. However, for student tours, we offer a special rate of $5 per student. This includes the guided tour, educational materials, and a question and answer session. It's free of charge for teachers.
That sounds reasonable. What are your available time slots for the tour?
We have 2 times available for the tours, mornings from 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and afternoons from 1:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Which one would you prefer?
The morning slot would be perfect for us. Can you tell me about the facility's location and any parking options?
Certainly. Our facility is located on Cleanview Street, opposite the glass factory. We have a parking area for buses and cars, so parking won't be an issue.
Great. That's very convenient. Are there any additional resources or requirements for the visit, like safety guidelines or a dress code?
Well, safety is our top priority, so we recommend strong shoes and comfortable clothes. We also provide safety vests for all visitors. All guidelines will be discussed in detail during the orientation at the beginning of the tour.
That's great. Thank you for the information. How far in advance should we book our visit?
We usually recommend booking at least 2 to 3 weeks in advance to be sure of your preferred date and time. However, if your schedule is flexible, we can often fit you in at shorter notice.
That's good to know. Lastly, can we bring lunches for our students, or do you have an area for lunch?
We do have a staff restaurant that you can use, but feel free to bring lunches for your students if you prefer to do that. There are also drinking fountains and toilet facilities on site.
Perfect. Thank you for answering all my questions. I'll discuss this with the school's business manager and get back to you soon to confirm the date and time.
You're welcome. We look forward to welcoming your students. If you have any more questions or need assistance, please don't hesitate to call. Have a great day.
Unit 6. Track 5. You will hear someone explaining the plan of a recycling centre. First, you will have some time to look at questions 6 to 10. Now listen and answer questions 6 to 10.
Hello, and welcome to Plockton Recycling Facility. We're excited to have you here today to learn about the importance of recycling and how our facility operates. My name is Ursula, and I'll be your guide through this exciting journey. Now, let me explain the plan of our recycling facility. As you can see, it's a large, busy place, but don't worry. I'll break it down for you step by step. So, when the recycling material arrives here, The loads first need to be removed from the trucks over there on the left in the collection area. This is where all the recycling trucks leave their contents. It's essential that all the materials are clean, otherwise they cannot be easily recycled. Just past the collection area, you'll see the sorting station. This is where the magic happens. We have a team of workers who sort the materials by hand. They separate cardboard, paper, glass, plastic, and metal into different piles. Now follow me as we move to the processing area, which is in the middle of the facility. Here, the sorted materials are further cleaned and processed. For example, cardboard and paper are squashed together using powerful machines, making them easier to transport and recycle. And look here. These conveyor belts transport the materials from one station to another, helping the recycling process run smoothly. At this point, I should point out that our centre is powered by renewable energy, and we don't use fossil fuels. At the end of the facility, we have our specialised machines that handle glass, plastic, and metal. These machines change these materials into new products. Finally, before you get to the exit, we have the storage area. Here, the processed materials are stored temporarily before being sent to manufacturers who will turn them into other products. This area is organised to keep everything sorted and ready for transporting. And there you have it, a brief idea of our recycling facility. We hope that you've gained a greater appreciation for the recycling process today and understand how your role as responsible citizens helps protect our environment. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.